Hey guys, welcome to my first cosmetology series video. This video I'm going to be showing you guys what I had inside my cosmetology kit. If you guys like this case, it's actually available to purchase on Amazon. I'll be sure to leave a link below as well as everything else I mentioned in this video. Here is my scissor case. Inside it holds up to 8 pairs of shears. For school, majority of the time I enjoyed using my 5-inch Jewel shears. I had the matching texturization shears. I also had a 5.5-inch of life shears. I had a razor as well. On the other compartment, you can also put some more scissors or you can put some hair combs. I have 2 sets of rollers. These have teeth in them. These are perfect for wet sets. I also really like to use these to practice my bases on. It was very easy to use on the mannequin, didn't snag the customer's hair at all, and it came in a couple different sizes. This is my Chi Pro blow dryer. The color is called Rose Vogue Glitter. It has 2 different speed settings, and it also comes with a hair diffuser. I was able to purchase this at Marshall's for about $40, so just keep an eye out on. Here is my spin and curl I have by Chi. I love this because you can choose if you'd like the curl to be inward or outward. It also is very easy on the wrist, so it's carpal tunnel friendly. You also can choose whether you want the curl to be at the root of the hair or towards the middle of the hair. I find that you're able to do a really fast hairstyle within 10 minutes of using this product. Here is my Chi straightener. This straightener works so good. You can get straight hair within 1 or 2 different strokes. It also isn't too harsh on the hair. Just be sure to apply a heat protectant before then. Next thing I have in my kit is the Framer Jet Set Color Brush Kit. Inside it includes 8 different sizes of the brushes. The brushes are great quality, and I find that you basically have everything you can possibly need to perform any coloring services. I also did like that it came with the case. It made it very easy to be on the go. Next up we have my mannequin I purchased through Amazon. It's very important to remember you want to purchase a mannequin that has human hair, otherwise synthetic hair will ruin your shears over time. Here's where I keep my perm rods. As you can see, I have 3 different sizes. It's great to practice on different size rods. You also want to remember to keep things bagged and labeled at all times and hair free in case state board comes. You guys are fully unprepared. Here are just some large sectioning clips. And here is where I keep my clippers. Inside I have all the attachments. I have the smaller trimmer and the clipper. This one indeed does have the cord. It's nice to have a clipper that's cordless. If you can try to purchase that, I would highly recommend. Here I have some coloring bowls, the application bottle, and some brushes. There are 6 basic brushes to use. First, we have a paddle brush. Next up, we have a styling brush. We have a blow drying brush, a vent brush, a brush to use on wet hair, and lastly, another blow drying brush that's great to use on wet hair as well. All 6 of these are very affordable, and you are able to purchase them all at Sally's Beauty store. Bobby pins are a huge must, so I have a mega bundle. Next up, we have my absolute favorite heat protectant spray. This is by Silk Elements. This is also available to purchase at Sally's Beauty Supply store. This is my go-to product. I use this on all my clients. I use this on myself, and I've always gotten compliments on how shiny my hair is. It's very affordable as well. It smells nice, and it adds just the right amount of shine. We next up have a all-time classic. This is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I like to apply this after I do a blow dry. It gives the hair a very nice shine. For hairspray, I have the Chi Natural Hold. I like this because it's not too stiff and too heavy on the hair. For a leave-in treatment, I like to use the Total Protect by Chi. Sanitation is key, ladies. This is the Cool Care Disinfectant Spray for your scissors. Let's get into some nail supplies you're going to be needing. First and foremost, this is the Mannequin hand I would use to practice applying my forms on. This is great because there's nails attached to this hand. At State Board, you're going to be having a hand very, very similar to this. So it's great to try to find a hand that already has nails attached to it. This is my manicure machine. I loved using this. I picked this up at Sally's beauty supply store. This saved a lot of time filing and shaping the nails. These are my rectangular nail forms. These are great because these were very easy to place under the free edge. A couple different filers. The 80 to 100 grit are best for acrylic nails, so make sure to have a couple of those. Nail polish remover, nail brush cleaner, nail primer and nail dehydrator. Next thing I have is the liquid for the acrylic nail. You want to keep in mind that you're going to be using the odorless liquid at State Board test. Therefore, it does take a lot longer to dry because it is oil-based. This is my facial head. I liked this because it's actually made out of silicone. It feels very realistic to the skin. It also has a flat top head, so you can place it on surfaces and it's not going to be wobbling or going anywhere. Here's where I keep my steam towel for the facial. I have it bagged and labeled. This is the same procedure you're going to be doing at State Board. It's just really good now to start getting in the habits of doing it like this. Next up, we have the facial supplies itself. The easiest way I found to do this is to purchase a plastic set of travel size little bottles and then you just go ahead and label them. So right here I have the exfoliator, and you're also going to need the massage cream as well as the moisturizer cream, the cleanser, toner, witch hazel is perfect. Lastly, the water bottle. Round face brush. This is where I keep all my universal supplies. Universal supplies include gloves, water, protective jelly, cotton balls, cotton pads. You also want to have a first aid kit, towels, paper towels, and tissue. For clothing, this was my smock. I wore every day to school. I liked it a lot because it had the really nice bling in the middle and it was adjustable in the back. So that wraps up everything for this video. I really hope that you guys found it helpful. I'm a newly licensed cosmetologist as of this February, so please, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. I would be more than happy to help.